For this process, Bed Liner Restore is the product. That is why we developed this product for this specific material. Truck beds get extremely dirty and they're used and abused. Let's be honest. If you do yard work at your house, or you go camping, or you do home projects, your truck bed gets used a ton and you get a lot of loose dirt and grime. But it's one thing to blast it out with a pressure washer, but it's a whole nother thing to bring back the color richness of your truck bed liner. Adams Polishes has a product called Bed Liner Restore that dresses your liner of your truck bed and makes it look back to new again. Now, when it comes to using Bed Liner Restore, you want to start by having a clean truck bed. So first things first, you need to clean it. Now, I personally like to use a product that we sell called citrus degreaser, okay? The citrus degreaser has a foaming agent to it, so you can use it out of your foam cannon, foam down your whole truck bed, and then we have a concrete cleaning brush that you scrub the embedded dirt and grime in your truck bed and bring it to the surface and then blast it out with your pressure washer. Using citrus degreaser ensures that you can use the foaming agent to lift the dirt and grime out of your truck bed. But if you have any grease or oil residue in your truck from maybe you go boating or you do mechanical work, the citrus degreaser will cut through that. And that's really the first step to getting your truck bed clean and ready for Bed Liner Restore. Now today we're working on more of a textured bed liner, like a rhino liner or bullet liner, which is what this is. So using a wash pad or using a towel on this bed liner, the towel or the wash pad will lint a ton. You don't want to do that. And that's why when you're cleaning this, you want to use our concrete cleaning brush. It's a stiff bristle brush that can scrub and lift the dirt out of the bed liner, so it's easier to clean it. Okay, so after you've gotten your truck bed clean, it's time to restore it or dress it with the Bed Liner Restore. Now, to be honest with you, the sun is a little bit off to the side, so in the shade it's still a little bit damp, but there's no standing water, and it's fine to dress your bed with Bed Liner Restore, even if it's a little damp. It's not going to dilute the product so much that it will alter the appearance. So even if it's a little damp in your truck bed, great. But if you want it to be fully dry, again, either use a blower or you can angle your truck where the back is pointed directly at the sun and it will dry the whole bed a little bit faster. Now, I'm gonna use Bed Liner Restore, and I also have an Adams wheel face brush. Now, this brush is dry. Okay, this wasn't sitting in a wet bucket with my wheel cleaning tools. And this is what I'm gonna use to help even out the Bed Liner Restore as I spray it on. I don't really want this pooling in places. I wanna spray it on, even it out with the brush, and then it's gonna look amazing after. So I like to start on the back and then move my way forward because I can eventually jump out and then be done. We'll come to the back here, and all I'm gonna do is spray this on here. And it's just a fine mist. I don't want to overuse this in one spot. I don't want it to pool up. So I'll hold it a little bit further away. I'm not doing this really close. I'm holding it a little bit further away to get a nice coat on here. Spray it on. I'll take my wheel face brush, spray a little bit of the Bed Liner Restore in there. And then what we do is we paint this on. Now, the Bed Liner Restore is sort of a, I don't know, I guess you could call it like a light blue product, almost white. So you can see it goes on kind of white, but as it cures, it goes clear and restores the color of your bed liner. So I'm just taking this, painting it on. And what the wheel face brush is gonna do is gonna even it out so it cures more uniform. Okay, so keep spraying. Okay, the whole bed liner is dressed and restored. And one thing I do want to mention is In areas where I spray excess, like I got some excess right in here, you can actually see I can move it around with my finger. It's totally fine. I actually had excess in the back corner back there, but once it dries and cures completely, that white color from the product completely fades and leaves your truck bed looking brand new. So don't worry too much if you have excess. It's totally fine. Once the product dries, this thing is gonna look brand new. Now, we've talked about how the bed liner restorer makes it look better, obviously. I mean, you can see it. So it's self-leveling with a little bit of brushing just to even it out as you apply it. But the most important thing about this formula is it's not slick, it's not slippery. So getting in and out of your truck bed is not dangerous, okay? We have other products in our line like VRT or graphene VRT, even all-purpose exterior dressing. If you use those on your truck bed liner, they are slippery and it makes it dangerous. So for this process, Bed Liner Restorer is the product. That is why we developed this product for this specific material. Not slippery and restores the color, making it look new again.